very excited to do this live. We have a very special guest today. So उनके साथ में just spending some time, I think trying and understanding style. हर हफ्ते we try and bring नए नए लोग आप लोगों के लिए. The only point is कि हम किस तरीके से as petite women समझे कि हमें स्टाइल कैसे करना है अपने आप को, किस तरीके से हमें कलर्स पहनने हैं, किस तरीके के नेक लाइन्स पहनने हैं, किस तरीके के स्लीव्स पहनने हैं, किस तरीके से हम सिलुएट्स पहन सकते हैं ना, क्या लेंथ ऑफ क्लोथ्स पहनने हैं. सो आप जो भी क्वेश्चंस भेजते हैं हम कोशिश करते हैं कि वो क्वेश्चंस हम ये लाइव्स के थ्रू आंसर करें, बहुत ही एक प्रोफेशनल के थ्रू आपको आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस को आंसर कर सकें. सो अल्टीमेटली यही पॉइंट है कि आप लोगों की हेल्प हो. टुडे वी हैव अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट विद अस. हर नेम इज शिखा केमका. शी इज अ सर्टिफाइड स्टाइलिस्ट. मैं आई लव टू इंट्रोड्यूस हर. आई थिंक शी इज जस्ट जॉइनिंग इन. There she is.
Hi everyone.
Hello. So nice to see you, Shikha. Welcome.
Thank you so much for inviting all of you all. Hi. I'm great. Thank you so much.
Yes. So I think we do this every week, Shikha, where we just connect with the Reddish family. All of us have so many different questions. Na? It's been very interesting कि India में there's been so much conversation about weight, skin color, all kinds of things. But height के बारे में कभी conversation होती नहीं थी. So we're very glad that we're bringing that conversation up finally. Long coming, long due. And again, it's through folks like yourself who are professionals and kind enough to come be a part of these sessions, openly talk about the fact that we should own our height, and beyond that also I think help petite women understand style, how it's okay to be our body shape, our height, and then how to style according to that. So very glad to have you on today. And as we have these sessions, it's also a form that it's also a bond that you form with everyone who's a part of the Reddish family. For me, it's just like all of us petite women coming together and raising our voice, and I think changing how the fashion industry looks at us also. So thank you again for doing this, and very excited to speak with you.
I am genuinely super excited myself. I can't even tell you. It's like, when you get to meet people who, because even I am a petite woman, I am not very tall myself. So मुझे भी लगता है कि, but frankly, मैंने कभी अपने को ना short feel ही नहीं किया. I don't know. कभी नहीं feel किया. Why? अब जो है, we can't change it, right? So why be apologetic about it?
Absolutely.
We should be embracing जो हमें naturally दिया गया है. हम सबको naturally भगवान ने कुछ दे दिया है. I think we should just embrace it very well. Don't you think so?
Absolutely. That's why I think I love your handle also. It is vanity unapologetically, right? And that's exactly how it should be. Vanity should always be about just owning ourselves and our bodies. Especially doing this with petite women is very special for me, because I think even though we may not feel a certain way, we understand the realistic struggles of being a petite woman, especially from the lens of fashion. So I think then that helps even more, because I'm sure that when we talk about this, even through your styling journey, there may have been points where you may have tried to understand that this is what my body type is, this is what my height is, how is it that I dress to my body type, what silhouettes do I pick, what colors make me look good, what helps me feel the best in my frame as is. So I think that's something that we'd love to discuss, and especially when we've had very real life tangible experiences, it always is very relatable also, no?
Absolutely. Yes. So I think because I think you know your audience so well, आप मेरे से questions पूछना शुरू करो जो आपके सारे audiences को relatable लगेगा, and I would love to answer each and every one of them. And अगर आपके audience के पास कोई questions है, I would love for them to ask us here live also during the conversation. So I'm sure आप लोग है ना, मुझे सबसे अच्छे वाले जो questions सबको answers चाहिए ही, I would love to give everyone that.
Absolutely. So हमने क्या किया, Shikha? Over time, there are questions that we receive, and we've collated all of those questions, put them together. I'll be asking them as we go. But first, I'd also love to introduce Shikha to the Reddish family. So guys, very exciting to have Shikha on board. She's a certified stylist and a color analyst. She studied from the London College of Style. Over the past 5 years now, she's worked with 250 women globally, helping them understand their style, their bodies. And the most fun thing that I really liked is that she believes that clothes are a tool, and style is all about having fun, keeping it easy, keeping it very accessible. So kaise clothes ko, we should just use it like a medium to express ourselves in the most authentic way, in the way that we feel comfortable, and get having fun with it, experimenting. So that's really been her journey. I think I would love to also know what really got you into styling, Shikha. What's been, if you were to say, let's say, your favorite story about yourself that's got you to where you are today, what would you say that is?
Okay, my favorite story actually, मैं ना बचपन से ही सबको suggestions देती थी आप ये पहन लो, मैं वो पहन लो, you know, like very simple. Like I am like almost like 40, what almost I am 40. So in those days and ages, like, you know, my grandfather, my grandmother, they had like limited clothes. they लोग ना बहुत सस्टेनेबल लोग थे यार, बहुत प्रैक्टिकल लोग थे, जबरदस्ती का कपड़े अपने जैसे नहीं खरीदते थे। तो उनके पास एक छोटी सी पोटली थी जिसमें वो अपने कपड़े रखते थे सफारी सारे। शिखा मैं क्या पहनूं, आई वॉज द ओनली गर्ल इन द फैमिली, क्या पहनूं क्या पहनूं। सो मुझे उसी में से सिलेक्ट करके देना था। सो एवरी टाइम अब उनको कैसे नया फील करवाऊं, वो मेरा काम हो जाता था कि नहीं आप है ना ये पहनो, आज आप ये पहनो। सो आई ऑलवेज यूज टू डू दैट। एंड देन इवेंचुअली सब लोग फैमिली में है ना मुझसे ही पूछते थे क्या पहने क्या पहने क्या पहने। लाइक किसी की भी शादी हुए, आई यूज टू गेट अ कॉल। सो एक नॉर्मल जर्नी, स्कूल में जाते थे तो मैं बस स्टॉप पे खड़े रह के लोगों को चेक करती थी, यार क्या पहनना चाहिए इन्हें, ये क्यों पहन रखा है, अच्छे नहीं लग रहे, कुछ चेंज करेंगे ना बेटर हो जाएगा। And that is how I started thinking about styling. And then eventually, of course, it just became like a part. Yeah, then, you know, there was a wake up moment in 2017 for me when I was like, nahi, ab to Shikha, kar lo. Don't think. सोचते ही रह जाओगे लाइफ में। लाइफ ने मौका दिया है, just join this, start, believe in yourself. Frankly, it was all about believing in myself. Because मुझे लगा था कौन सुनेगा बैठ के मेरी। मैं अगर आप लोग कोई भी मेरे फर्स्ट रील्स जाके देखोगे, you will realize how nervous I was.
Okay.
I'm a mother of two, so, you know, even for me to come in front of the camera and do all of this was a very big deal. So, you know, a lot of it just started from there for me. Started believing in myself more than everyone around me. कि नहीं यार शिखा, start, देखते हैं क्या होएगा. And that was my journey. And yes, you asked me what is my best styling moment. I think it started from there. So that's a part of my question answer. And I have had beautiful clients. I still have such beautiful clients. मैं आपको क्या बताऊं कि उनके साथ हर एक के साथ इतना अच्छा बॉन्ड बन जाता है, because we spend so much time together. They share so much about their own insecurities. एंड फ्रैंकली क्या होता है ना कि आप जब स्टाइलिंग करवाने आते हो, यू कम विद सो मेनी थॉट्स। मुझे ऐसा लोग ये बोलते हैं, मेरे साथ ये होता है, मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे ये प्रॉब्लम्स है, वो प्रॉब्लम्स है। सो इट बिकम्स मोर लाइक अ लाइफ कोच जर्नी फॉर मी ऑल्सो। एंड लकीली ड्यूरिंग दिस होल प्रोसेस, sometime I am a counselor also, a certified counselor.
Okay.
So that became helpful for me here.
Got it.
So it is like all coming all in together. There's a lot of it, but yes, that is my journey.
That's so beautiful, you know, because like you rightly said, I think a lot of times, even as I've been building Rarish for the past few months now, I've come to realize ki right from very young girls to older women, we all have certain insecurities, and a lot of times that may be very strongly linked to body insecurities as well. So I think as you help people transform and really realize what their best version is, being able to build that form of trust, build that relationship, that's very beautiful of you also, because जब तक वो नहीं होगा, people will not open up. They will not really say what they want also out of such an equation. No? It's ultimately a partnership, right?
100% it is. और कपड़े हमारे आमर्स बन जाते हैं ना। लाइक हम जब जैसे ही कपड़े पहनते हैं, एक लाइक टुडे इफ आई एम वेयरिंग दिस कलर, इट बिकम्स माय आर्मर टू शो यू कि व्हाट एम आई फीलिंग फ्रॉम विद इन। सो दैट इज हाउ आई ट्रीट क्लोथ्स एज। जैसा आप अंदर से फील करते हो वैसा अपने कपड़ों के थ्रू बताओ। बिकॉज हम लोग बहुत विजुअल लोग हैं। हम हमेशा लोगों को बहुत इमीडिएटली जज कर लेते हैं। Though they say don't judge the book by its cover, but we are visual people. We can't even avoid it. हम भले ही चाहे कि लोग हमें ना जज करें, but inherently हम लोग खुद भी कर रहे हैं ना वो चीज। How do you expect people don't do that to us then? And you can't go change everyone's thought process. So why not choose? Because what you are putting on yourself is genuinely a choice you're making every single day, right?
Absolutely.
It is your own body, it is your own clothes, everything is decided by you. No one's forcing you to do something. So why not change that?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I think the way that we dress up is a big part of our confidence.
Absolutely.
And I've realized that actually a lot of the women on the Rare Age community, we're slowly working towards a bunch of different things, right? Confidence, style, fashion, just generally understanding fashion, what's happening in the world, and so on. One common theme that really comes up in the field of fashion is, you know, how do I dress myself to suit my petite frame? So now we've really broken it down into different aspects, because ये बहुत ही बड़ा umbrella है कि यार मैं अच्छे कैसे लगूं, मैं tall कैसे लगूं. So there my answer always is, guys, tall lagna is not really the goal. I think of course there are colors, there are silhouettes that help you feel like your strongest self. There are themes that can help you elongate your petite frame, or highlight the kind of curves that you want, highlight certain aspects of your body based on your body shape. And that's really what we're going to talk about today, Shikha.
Yes.
So let me just get right into it. I think
100%.
the first theme that we'll try and cover is color theory, right? So you've mentioned that there is something which is called as the color for petite framework. So now, what is this color for petite framework, and why is it important?
Every time you choose to wear two colors together on your top and your bottom, they have to become cohesive. You cannot be doing color blocking, especially for petite women, because वो एक visually आपको half and half look दे देता है. So I will always ask all my petite girls to wear colors that are harmonious. Harmonious, like let me give you an example. Like अगर I ask you to wear, or maybe if this is looking too bright, if I ask you to wear like the orange family colors together, that is how it will not block or not cut my visual. Like waist पे नहीं तो क्या visual cut हो जाता है. And I need you to look taller. वो taller कैसे दिखाऊंगी मैं? तो मुझे एक length देना है कपड़ों से. तो कपड़ों से length कैसे दूंगी? जैसे ये colors similar. मोनोक्रोमैटिक आपने 100% सुना ही है कि petite women के लिए monochromatic looks are the best, of course. Why? Because it gives you a visual aid of not creating a half and half look. So that is something I will. So color theory is that is how you use. If you're wearing darker colors, then try going only in for darker colors, like going for a black and a white. Don't do that, because it's literally color blocking, cutting you in half. So avoid doing that. So complementary colors is something, though it looks fabulous, अगर आप में वो confidence है, then आप पहनो. I will never say go beyond. If you're not confident, don't wear it. But if you feel you are fabulously confident, और आपको लग रहा है you're looking fabulous, please wear it. Don't restrict yourself. Like unapologetically, like you just mentioned, right? Being you unapologetic is what we all are about. Clothes है, let's have fun. अगर आप में confidence है, color block करना. What is color blocking? Like अगर आप complementary, two different shades पहनो साथ में. That is complementary colors. That is color blocking. If you wear that, make sure you're confident in it. That is how I like the color theory to be working for you. And if you're wearing lighter shades, like pastel shades, make sure you're wearing all the pastel shades together. Yeah. Now you could take over and ask me.
No, got it. So I think in summary, what I understood of this is कि अगर आप एक कलर चूज करते हो, उसी कलर फैमिली में कोशिश करो कि लाइट कलर्स एंड डार्क कलर्स चूज करें, ना कि ऐसे कलर्स चूज करें जो कि कंप्लीटली अलग हो एक दूसरे से. That's something that you recommend for petites, right?
100%.
Got it.
100%.
Got it. Okay. And अगर मैं इसी क्वेश्चन को फ्लिप करूं एंड मैं बोलूं कि ऑफ कोर्स लाइक यू सेड, इट्स ऑल अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस. वी कैन ऑल मेक चॉइसेस, जो भी हमें पहनना है वी कैन वेयर व्हाटएवर वी वांट, राइट? व्हाटएवर इज द रियल अस. बट इफ यू वर टू से यार मैं ये नहीं करूंगी, मैं ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस या इस तरीके से कलर्स के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगी एज अ पेटिट वुमन योरसेल्फ, how would you say यार ये combinations I would avoid, and maybe I'll also recommend other petite girls to probably avoid?
If we are talking about color combinations, like I mentioned, I don't want you to avoid if you have the confidence. अगर आप में confidence नहीं है, then definitely color blocking मत करो. Like the complementary colors that I mentioned. Don't do that, because उससे आपको definitely वो half and half look आएगा. And if you are doing that, make sure आपका top tucked हो. Because हमें आपके legs को तो elongate करना ही है, no matter what you are wearing, right? क्योंकि हमारे petite women के legs generally, मतलब we want to make them look taller and longer, right? How do I do that? So make sure कि आप अपने top को tuck in करो. For example, आज मैंने ये top पहना है, मैंने tuck नहीं किया है, but I very strategically wore this top with a wide leg pant. Why? Because it's a little fitted. It's a little fitted like than a oversized or a regular fit top. So मैंने क्या किया, wide leg पहन लिया, नीचे के last two buttons जो शर्ट के हैं उसको ओपन कर दिया for that V look. So that वो V से मेरा अटेंशन, आपका अटेंशन वो बटन पे जाएगा, डेनिम बटन पे जाएगा।
जो आपने पैंट्स पहने हैं उसके बटन पे
यस
जाएगा। ओके
यस, जो पैंट पहना है उससे ऑटोमेटिकली वो वी लुक से अपने आप मेरा आपका अटेंशन सामने से देखोगे तो लगेगा कि अच्छा उसका वहां पे है वेस्ट लाइन से आप मेरा वो दिखाएंगे। Because
लेग्स कितनी लंबी है वो आप उस बटन के पॉइंट
yes,
से देखेंगे। गॉट
because
इट।
I understand not everyone is comfortable, भले ही petite हो, but आपका बॉडी टाइप डिफरेंट होता है, because हमें आपके बॉडी टाइप पे भी ध्यान देना है. So you may not be comfortable wearing tucked top, which is very normal. So उस टाइम पे क्या, because like हमारे भी bloated days होते हैं जब we are not feeling comfortable to like you know wear
Something that's
something
very
very
fitted.
stuffed.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah. So our bodies change every month.
Hmm.
So उस टाइम पे you don't want to tuck in your top. So do this little small trick, and you know that will help you to just create that illusion of length. So only colors don't work. मैं आपको बोलूं कि आप ये colors पहनोगे तो आप लंबे दिखोगे, that will be absolutely wrong. It is how you are putting it all together is what makes sense.
Lovely. And that's such an interesting tip, you know. It's also very new for me that a very simple trick is आपका top जैसे भी हो, you know, if you based on how comfortable you are, you can actually like create an elongating effect just by opening up the last few buttons of the top at a comfortable length, right? So even then it may not even be perhaps the high waisted jeans now.
Yeah,
And Ashika, even if
it is.
it's not, even then it will give you like the effect of slightly taller lower torso.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's like, you know, play with your clothes. Keep experimenting is what I urge every single one. अगर हम लोग आपको बोलते हैं do this, do that, and trust me, it is more confusing. And it is confusing till you don't try it. Try it. See it. Check it for yourself कि आपके ऊपर, because देखो अगर मैं आपको कोई ट्रिक दिखा रही हूँ मेरे वीडियो से या आप दिखा रहे हो, अब वो ऑडियंस आपका भी वीडियो देख रहा है, मेरा भी देख रहा है, और 10 जनों का भी देख रहा है साथ में. करेक्ट. नाउ दैट ऑडियंस इज ऑलरेडी कंफ्यूज, मैं किसकी सुनूं, बिकॉज मेरे वर्डिंग्स थोड़े से डिफरेंट होंगे, किसी और के वर्डिंग्स कुछ डिफरेंट होंगे, वो इवेंचुअली ऑडियंस कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. एंड आई जेन्युइनली डोंट लाइक इट. इसलिए मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ प्लीज खुद से ट्राई करो, पहले ट्राई करो, खुद को देखो मिरर में, नहीं समझ में आया खुद का एक सेल्फी ले लो, सेल्फी लो, देखो कि लग रहा है क्या कुछ डिफरेंट. मेरे मैक्सिमम ऑडियंस वैसे ही ट्राई करके मेरे पास आते हैं फिर. एंड दैट इज व्हेन दे लाइक, शिखा यू gave us those tips and now we want to learn more from you.
Lovely.
So please
Lovely.
keep implementing things more for yourself instead of me telling you कि ऐसा करो. नहीं, first try for yourself. देखो ये चल रहा है कि नहीं. So yeah,
So I have an extension to that question.
please do.
Oftentimes I will experiment with something, है ना, and I'll look at myself in the mirror and I'm like अच्छा लग रहा है. But as soon as I want to step out, realistically, I start feeling shy. So now what is the trick? Ki if I'm doing something very experimental, what is the best place that I want to try it out first, especially as I'm stepping out? Like, what's your theory? Ki when you're like, yeah, I want to be in a space where either I'm like bindas, nobody judges me, but a lot of us are conscious.
I'll tell you what, notice yourself first before stepping out. घर में, घर के family members के सामने ही अगर आप घूम लोगे, you will realize how you're behaving. Forget everything else. Like right now, if I'm doing this, you're noticing me, right? Why are you noticing me? Because I'm fidgeting with my clothes. What does that mean? I'm uncomfortable. If I'm wearing something deep, I will start doing this constantly. Correct? Similarly for you, because I'm not comfortable showing deep necklines. So what will I do? I'll constantly do this. That will automatically, अगर आपके घर वालों के सामने आप ऐसे अपने आप को करते हुए देख लिए, मतलब you are experimenting but you're not comfortable. Secondly, अगर आपने नोटिस किया कि नॉट फिजिटिंग विद योर क्लोथ्स, लाइक अगर आपने शॉर्ट कुछ ज्यादा ही शॉर्ट पहन लिया और आप पुल नहीं कर रहे हो नीचे, या डीप ज्यादा पहन, these are just examples. Please apply it for what situation you belong to, but try this. कि if you notice yourself कि 10 मिनट घर में घूमने में you not fidgeted with your clothes, you are absolutely comfortable, like your bra is not fitted well. हमें लगता है हम लोग है ना, we'll fake it till we make it types, you know, कि like we'll wing it. The right word is we'll wing it, कि यार वहां पे मैनेज हो जाएगा. Frankly कुछ मैनेज नहीं होता है.
Yes. Yes.
If you feel you're uncomfortable, you are not going to be comfortable in public domain for sure. Make sure you're not fidgeting at home एंड इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल, यू फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट, यार निकलो यार, फिर तो देखो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस ही काम आएगा. क्योंकि एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, like they say na, it's not my quote, I've heard this quote a zillion times, every time you get out of your comfort zone is when you gain something. So experimenting is that, like I experimented with myself coming in reels, right?
Absolutely, which takes so much courage.
So I think it is all about experimenting, trying something new every single day, and learning for yourself ki what is working for you.
So that is such beautiful and realistic advice, guys, because the reason that we're also breaking this down for you is कि हम सुनते हैं कुछ बट फिर हम कैसे उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करें, हम 10 चीजें सोचते हैं. इतना सोचना नहीं है. इट्स रियली वेरी सिंपल. ट्राई, सी हाउ यूर फीलिंग अबाउट इट, बी इन योर स्पेस ऑफ कंफर्ट फर्स्ट. इफ दैट्स वेयर यू फील लाइक यस आई कैन डू दिस, then push yourself a little bit. And वो एक बार लगता है. You know, Shikha, like a lot of us, we were also earlier talking about how we feel very uncomfortable without heels. एंड आई ऑलवेज से यार एक दिन लगता है, निकल के देखो विदाउट हील्स क्या हो जाएगा. आपके आगे ऐसे कोई खड़ा होगा तो आप फिगर आउट कर लोगे किस एंगल में खड़ा होना है आपको, जहां आप कंफर्टेबल हो. आपको लगेगा यार कोई ऐसे मुझे, मतलब मैं कहाँ पे कैसे अपने आप को प्लेस करूं. यू विल फिगर आउट योर स्पेस. बट फॉर दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू अलाउ योरसेल्फ दैट वन डे ऑफ टेकिंग जस्ट करेज and maybe being slightly uncomfortable for a little while, but you'll find your way through it. But if you don't give yourself that one chance, things are not going to change, like you said.
100%, 100%, you have to. And guys, अगर आप लोग heels पहन रहे हैं just to look taller, frankly कुछ नहीं होता है. सबको मालूम है आपकी क्या हाइट है. मतलब हमें लगता है कि मैं, अगर आप सिर्फ ब्लैक कलर कपड़े पहनोगे तो आप पतले लगोगे. कितना कोई 10 किलो कम होएगा नहीं ना.
करेक्ट एब्सोल्युटली. आप कितना ब्लैक पहनोगे?
आप कितना आप अपने आप को क्या पूरे टाइम ब्लैक में ही डाल लोगे कि नहीं? Black is such a color. Trust me, you know, since I have learned color analysis and I've been reading about how colors impact our lives and everything, I have started avoiding wearing black.
Oh, really?
Not because it is not in my color zone or my color analysis, but because I've realized black as a color absorbs a lot of energy around you, which could be negative also.
Very interesting.
So why do that to yourself? And especially during summer, wearing black is like literally asking for so much
heat absorption,
more heat, which is not fair. Don't do that. Try. I know black सब लोगों को लगता है slimming है, blah blah, but I know it is. I will not deny, but don't make it your only option. So heels. Yeah, please ask. Yeah, because we can go on. So you can ask now.
No, I love to think also about black. And I think that brings me to my next question also very beautifully, which is these days we are hearing so much about our undertone, our skin tones, right? There are cool tones, warm tones, neutral tones, and there's so many different things that I have read at least about really understanding one's undertone. What would you say कि अगर किसी को अपना अंडरटोन समझना है, what is the right way to understand our undertone? कैसे पता चलेगा मैं cool हूँ, warm हूँ या neutral हूँ?
मैं आपको ना सिंपल टेस्ट खुद से करने वाले बताती हूँ, so that you all can do it at your home. But of course, then if you all really want my help, then I'm there. You all know how to reach me. But I will tell you all the simplest way that I do, or I would like you all to try it on yourself. In fact, first is see what color metal works for you more, because we all know कि एक gold और एक silver दोनों में से कौन सा better लगता है आपके ऊपर. वो एक टेस्ट कर लो. Second is the white paper test, yeah, white color test. For example, I will show you. Now, this is a stark white. Okay, don't go by this color theory right now because I'm in a warm color light. So अभी मेरे पे सब अच्छा लगेगा because I'm a warm tone and मेरे पे warm light already गिर रही है. Everything will work better for me. So don't go by what you're seeing right now, but do this during your natural daylight. Okay? So ये रखा white. This is stark white. अभी आपको दिख भी नहीं रहा है stark white because it's in warm light. Yeah. So stark white लगा के देखो और फिर एक yellowish white आता है, वो लगा के देखो नीचे कौन सा better लग रहा है आपके ऊपर. It's a very easy giveaway. बहुत फर्क होता है. Stark white means, like for example, I can talk about myself right now. If I put a stark white under my skin, everything around here becomes dark. My skin becomes pale. I wish we were doing it in natural daylight time, तो फिर you know आप लोगों को actually difference भी दिख जाता. So again, that's very kind of you. Shikha is really like showing it for us. So guys, I hope that you also really go and try and understand. आप cool हो या warm हो या neutral हो.
So Shika, how did you know that you are warm?
So I obviously there were a lot of like I have a way of, I have a 3-part process which we have to go through to learn about anyone's color analysis कि आप कौन से category में belong करते हो. One is a psychometric test. What is a psychometric test now? It is a personality test.
Okay.
Like we all go through so much in life, so that makes us choose certain colors.
Okay.
For example, if someone's been through major trauma, they will automatically go towards darker colors. And someone who's bright, bubbly, blah blah, they will automatically go in for brighter colors, like the spring colors, all of that. So we go through that first psychometric test. Second, genetic test. Genetic test is what now? Like for example, asking about your vein, asking about your hair color, eye color, all of that. And then the third is the drapes, which I mean, I'm just saying that, but I also do it online. So because I have created a website especially for that to help my online audience also.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So we do drapes. So like I did this white color test, I also do it with different colors. So I come to a conclusion, what colors do you belong to? And what undertone it is for you. So once I get all the 3 results is when I understand what is your actual undertone, and then we decide what shade chart you belong to.
So there's a whole study that goes behind this.
It's
clearly
scientific.
It's very
not
scientific.
Like, yeah, I'll tell you very simple. Some color, what happens when we are in the natural light? Colors, sunlight falls on our clothes. That color reflects on our face. And that is why some colors make us look very dull. I remember reading one of the questions from the audience, why some colors make me look dull. Because maybe it is not your undertone color. I'll give you an example. For me, a light blue color looks terrible. Like,
okay,
terrible. And it is one of my favorite colors, but looks horrible. Like every time I wear it, ये portion dark हो जाता है. And we are Indians, right? So हमारे यहाँ पे pigmentation बहुत solid हो जाती है. और under eyes भी बहुत prominent है ही हमारे. Like अगर एक रात अच्छे से नहीं सोए तो under eye तो बहुत ही easily आ जाता है हमारे ऊपर. तो फिर how to not get that, wear your right colors. तो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये certain colors मेरा सही नहीं चल रहा है, like ये हमेशा मुझे डर लगता है, like suddenly आप कुछ पहन रखे हैं और आपको सब लोग आके बोले, why are you okay, you're not looking okay, you're looking very pale, you're looking very dull. So understand, अगर आप you are actually healthy, feeling good, blah blah, and still people are saying that, मतलब maybe that is not your color. So avoid those colors, try different colors, and I think that's the simplest way you can start applying and understanding how colors are working for you.
Again, very very relatable advice. I'm sure there are days when we also feel a certain way, we choose to go towards certain colors. So I related to that also. And at the same time, this is something that's happened to me a lot. Sometimes you'll wear something and then you are feeling okay. Kabhi kabhi it's like you're not wearing kajal, so people will ask, yeah, you're looking sick today. But sometimes you're wearing kajal, you're wearing like your usual makeup, whatever it is. And even then people will say, you're not like looking fully yourself, looking like आज तक खिली भी नहीं लग रही हो, ये कलर खिल नहीं रहा है आप पे ना. So that's basically a trick, guys, to say कि अच्छा कलर मुझ पे खिल नहीं रहा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मुझे कुछ अपने फेस को लेकर फिक्स कर रहा है. Typically sometimes it's also about you're not wearing your color. So it's also again comes down to experimentation. जब तक 10 कलर्स पहनोगे नहीं, ब्लैक से नहीं बाहर आओगे, तब तक ऐसे होगा कि आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि क्या चल रहा है. और अभी तो कितने सारे कलर्स की बात हो रही है. We're talking about mocha mousse, we're talking about butter yellows, burgundy, cherry. So ये सब कलर्स पहनो यार. I do whenever anybody in the family asks me कि यार क्या पहना है, everyone on Rarish fam, ये आपने सुने होंगे सारे कलर्स, burgundy, cherry, yellows. I think we shy away a lot from that also. And interestingly, Shikha, a lot of girls, like for me, I have been a brown girl, and I always used to feel very conscious about wearing white. So there are a lot of other girls that I know who are like, yaar, main brown skin hu, which all of us really are, but we're different shades of brown. We feel conscious about wearing white. So what would your advice be to all of these girls who are conscious कि यार मुझ पे white अच्छा लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा?
अगर आपको white नहीं पसंद है, try wearing off white. Why white? मतलब white ही पहनना, not necessarily हम सब पे white actually अच्छा लगे, because मेरे पे white नहीं अच्छा लगता है. So I automatically, and especially after color analysis, since I've realized that stark white is not my color, I automatically deviate towards the off-white color. Any white which has a little touch of yellow, wear that. Why do you have to wear white. And with Mocha Moose, like you rightly said, being such a in color, or the Pantone color for the year 2025, why not embrace it? And luckily for warm undertones, it is the color for you. It will automatically give you brightness on your face. And most of us are warm undertones.
As brown skin Indian women. No?
Mostly, I can't generalize it. But because that won't be right on my end, also just generalizing the whole thing. But yes, mostly we are. Like either we will fall into the spring category or autumn category.
Understood. Understood. So I think now if I were to again take the color theory back to petite women, something that works largely for a lot of people are neutrals. And we all, now that we're talking about, having a very well planned wardrobe and, having our basics sorted, essentials sorted, and so on, neutrals is a big part of that. So what would you say are some neutrals that petites can work out very smartly?
I will. What are neutral colors? Neutral colors are those which work with all colors. They become your basics and your foundations. Let me show you something. Like, okay, this is a summer cool season thing. This is the brochure which generally I give out to my clients for after their color analysis and everything. But let me just show you. Like for a cool undertone, these are the neutrals. Now, why are these the neutrals? Because suppose if you don't like this also, these will almost go with all these colors. So having a few neutrals and understanding what will go with everything will become easier. Neutrals में क्या क्या colors आते हैं? Black, white, blue, and blue as in the navy blue. Black, white, blue, camel color, and beige,
right,
gray. So अब इसमें से डिवाइड हो जाता है. Why? Because cool colors के लिए neutrals क्या होंगे? Gray, white, black. But warm के लिए camel, brown, beige, taupe. These are the colors that belong to your warm color neutral family. Because उनके फैमिली में सारे warm colors बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे when they try to wear it with a red color top. Like for a warm, and this is a warm category I'm talking about. For warm, if you wear a red with a camel, will look fab. A nice green with a beige, again will look fab. Orange with a navy blue also will look great, or it will look great with a camel color.
Yeah, that's a fantastic combination. Yes.
So I know I will not be able to show you examples right now because that is something I'm not prepared with. But these are the kind of examples I can share कि like अगर आप ये अपना basics बना लोगे foundation में, तो ये आपका बहुत easily mix and match हो जाएगा. And understanding neutrals, understand कि आपके basics कौन से सबसे अच्छे हैं, उनको neutral color में ले आओ, and then add that pop of color. Have I answered your question correctly?
Absolutely. I think you've answered even more because we really got into breaking it down to say एक तो न्यूट्रल्स को समझ लो कि न्यूट्रल्स हैं क्या, और ये भी समझ लो कि आपके जो अंडरटोन है उसके हिसाब से न्यूट्रल्स शायद सेम शेड्स होंगे, सेम कलर्स होंगे, बट शेड्स डिफरेंट होंगे. So that's something also that we may need to understand. A blue that works probably for a cool undertone may not be the same blue that will work for a warm undertone. And that again is experimentation, getting advice from someone like Shikha, really understanding your colors, your skin, experimenting with it. Eventually, pehnoge nahi to pata kaise chalega.
Exactly.
To pehno, try karo. And then eventually, once you have your neutrals sorted, the beautiful thing is that neutrals go with accent colors, they go with neutrals themselves. So then आप बहुत सारा mix and match कर सकते हो बड़े comfortably and very confidently. So that's, I think, a summary of what we're trying to say. है ना Shikha?
Absolutely.
Lovely.
So, yeah.
Got it. ठीक है, perfect. अब ना I think कुछ एक fun मजेदार सा गेम खेलते हैं, है ना? And everyone who is on here, I want to know आप लोगों के कौन से favorite colors हैं. And जैसे शिखा ने कहा, there is a psychometric, emotional, scientific, so many different angles of कौन सा color हमारे लिए है, suited है, well suited है, हम पे अच्छा लगता है, हमें अच्छा feel कराता है. So I want to know आप लोगों के favorite colors, कौन सा सबसे frequently पहनते हो. And then उसके basis पे let's try and decode हमारी Rare Reach family की क्या I think wants, wishes या फिर क्या उनकी personality है. Okay, Amina is saying purple and white.
Purple calls for royalty. It is a color which will always demand, and it in Christians it is also religious. So the color psychology works differently for different cultures, but for us, the color purple is royalty.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So what does that then? So is purple a bold color? Is it a bold choice?
It is definitely a pop of color which not everyone is comfortable wearing.
Perfect. So then what do you think that tells about someone's personality when they go for a bold color like purple?
I would say they are ready to experiment. They are absolutely someone who is actually embracing colors very well, because it is not a color I see a lot of people embracing easily. They like it on others, but खुद के ऊपर आती है, I don't see a lot of people going for it.
Fantastic. Amina, proud of you. Next up, we have Rohini, who is saying she likes to bend more towards greens and blues.
Blue is a color which actually demands trust. Like if you notice, doctors wear a lot of blue, and especially when they're going through the OT. Why? Because it demands reliability, trust. Even office wear, you will notice people are wearing a lot of blues. So that is a color, and it also calms you. So blue, and what was the other color
Green.
you mentioned? Green. Green is nature. If you notice, organic brands always take green as a color. It is also calming, very calming, and it is very positive. I know a lot of people who love green, but there are so many shades of green to know and learn which one works for you. But green is a beautiful color, and especially if you're wearing the right green for yourself, just looks fabulous.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Next up, we have Ragini, just to get like a different perspective. So Ragini is saying light color. So I extend that also to pastel colors. So again, what do you think? If we are more attracted to light colors or pastel colors, what does that say about our personality?
It actually means that you maybe in the summer zone, like summer is a color season where you wear light colors, and you are you love colors, but you don't like to stand out.
Okay. Okay. Interesting.
You like, yes, because see what summer का let's take it logically. मैं ज्यादा ना theory सब नहीं समझाना चाहती, मुझे सिंपल बातें पसंद है, इसलिए मैं सिंपल ही बोलूंगी. अब हम समर में कपड़े सुखाएंगे तो क्या होएगा, वो कलर इवेंचुअली फेड हो जाएगा, ब्लीच हो जाएगा.
हाँ जी.
Right? So that is the whole concept of summer. Ki it will bleach out the colors. So when you are actually loving summer colors, which are the pastel colors, then automatically you like colors, but you don't like to stand out.
Got it.
It's as simple as that.
Fantastic.
Absolutely.
My question is शिखा
Yeah.
कि दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, कलर भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, सिलुएट्स भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो अगेन अगर हम शॉर्ट गर्ल्स की बात करें, पेटीट फ्रेम्स की भी बात करें, शॉर्ट गर्ल्स में भी बड़े सारे अलग अलग बॉडी टाइप्स होते हैं. व्हाट वुड यू से इज अ की कंसिडरेशन एज वी पिक सिलुएट्स? कैसे सोचना चाहिए उनके बारे में?
Don't wear extra baggy, क्योंकि वो आपको और because horizontally challenge हो जाएगा ना. हमें vertical illusion create करना है लंबाई बढ़ाने के लिए. बैगी कपड़े पहनेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो और हॉरिजॉन्टली चैलेंज कर रहे हो आप अपने आप को. एंड प्लस हम शॉर्ट है तो हमें थोड़ा सा स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्लोथ्स पहनना चाहिए, सो दैट आपका सिलुएट भी ऐसे बैलेंस्ड लगे. लाइक आप ऐसा नहीं लगे कि आप ड्राउन हो रहे हो कपड़ों में. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंस है कि आप हाँ, स्लीव लेंथ बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर बिकॉज हम शॉर्ट है तो ऑब्वियसली यू नो सम टॉप्स के स्लीव्स लाइक लिटरली यहाँ तक आ जाते हैं. दैट इज समथिंग अवॉइड, बिकॉज ये अगर आपका कोई स्लीव्स इतना लंबा है कि यहाँ तक आ रहा है, हमको लगता है कोई बात नहीं, पुल करती रहूंगी मैं. इवेंचुअली अगर आपने नहीं पुल किया तो वो लंबा दिखेगा और उससे आप और अजीब लगोगे. वो लाइक ऐसे एप टाइम पे इफ यू रिमेंबर दे हैड लॉन्गर हैंड्स, automatically they used to look shorter. So instead, make sure you're showing your small of the wrist, arm, the smallest. Very important. Like, you know, make sure कि आपका pulled up रहे. आप actually मेरा बात सुनो, आप notice करो celebrities क्या करते हैं. Because आप देखोगे celebrities बहुत, ये जो हम यहाँ पे बात करें सब already apply कर रहे हैं खुद पे. तो मैंने कुछ नया बनाया नहीं है, it's very practical, जो सब लोग already कर रहे हैं. मेक श्योर कि आप अपना हाथ दिखाएं. हाँ, अगर आप फॉर्मल कपड़े पहने देन मेक श्योर कि आपका स्लीव एटलीस्ट यहाँ तक हो. not like here, which will make you look shorter.
I love the comparison to apes. That's so real. Well, I never looked at it that way, but now that I see it, it's true. Now, उनके hands are like so long. वो immediately attention सारा वहीं पर जाता है. And maybe perhaps when we also wear clothes that are not very well fitted, it automatically looks like not so flattering on us.
Absolutely, you're right. You're right. And one more important point: footwear, guys. It makes and breaks the look. So be very very mindful about your footwear, because that is something जिसका size change नहीं होने वाला है. उस पे थोड़ा सा invest अच्छे से करो. आप कपड़े, बिकॉज कपड़े फिर भी हम बहुत खरीद लेते हैं, सेल भी बहुत अच्छा मिल जाता है प्रैक्टिकली, बट फुटवेयर इज समथिंग दैट विल टेक यू फ्रॉम डे टू नाइट. इट इज समथिंग दैट विल एक्चुअली कैरी यू थ्रू द डे. एंड प्लस इफ यू आर वेयरिंग द रॉन्ग वन, आप हाइट के चक्कर में प्लेटफॉर्म हील्स पहनते हो डेली में, प्लेटफॉर्म हील्स विल मेक यू लुक बल्कियर, एंड विद दैट इट जेन्युइनली डजंट वर्क. आप फ्लैट्स पहनो, बेटर लगोगे. सो थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकली अपने आप पे चीजें अप्लाई करो, बिकॉज यू नो इम्प्रैक्टिकल एडवाइस आपको बहुत मिल जाएंगे. आप देखते भी हो एयरपोर्ट पे लोग हील्स पहन के जा रहे हैं, बट हाउ प्रैक्टिकल इज इट?
And why is it needed? Why do you want to be uncomfortable?
And if you're short, you're short. बात खत्म. Let's embrace it. I like the way you started and saying that. Why? मतलब why? If, and you know, when I actually loved when you said that, कि if people are talking about you, actually frankly it's not about you, it is reflecting them and how they think. How is your shortcoming benefiting them? Okay, the Instagram
Apple
is also
agrees.
giving us
Apple agrees. Somebody said that I'm dark and skinny. Which color should I wear? Dark नहीं होता, brown skin होता है, कुछ नहीं होता.
अच्छा ठीक है, आप dark हो, does that mean we can't wear colors? Of course you can, but you know, here I will have to say this कि you know, मैं darkness से आपका color tone नहीं decide कर सकती हूँ या undertone decide नहीं कर सकती हूँ. It doesn't matter. अगर आप dark है तो क्या इसका ये थोड़ी मतलब है कि मैं आपको सिर्फ darker colors बोलूंगी कि lighter colors बोलूंगी? नहीं. For darker people also you can wear a pop of color if you're warm undertone. You could be a warm undertone, you could belong to autumn, you could belong to summer. Sorry, spring. But you could be cool, where you could wear only dark shades, which is winter season. मैं ऐसे ही यहाँ पे बोल दूं कि हाँ darker people should wear only this color, that's absolutely wrong. Don't fall for that trap. Don't listen to anyone who says कि you are dark, you can't wear this color. Like a yellow color is something people shy away from. Why? Because they think they look darker. No, not true at all. Not true at all. Don't listen to rubbish like this, please. Oh, yeah. Don't grow sales of Fair and Lovely so much.
I so agree. And I think there are so many examples, you know, where let's say a Priyanka Chopra, there are certain colors that she's wearing. There's a Sonam Kapoor, certain colors that she's wearing. They're all brown girls, browner than many. And they carry colors so beautifully. Na? Different grays work for them, different shades work for them. So it all comes down to experimenting, trying.
Yes. In fact, don't we all judge what they are wearing all the time? We are, right? But they are experimenting with themselves all the time. Sometimes they pull it off 100% and sometimes they're not. But ठीक है यार, clothes है, निकाल दिया, change हो गया, you become someone else next day. So do that for yourself also.
Lovely. I think there's another very interesting question, which is that there's some of us are heavy busted and short. So the question is, I have a heavy bust.
Okay.
I'm 5 feet. What are colors that I should wear based on my body type?
Okay. For that, I'll have to know. If the person is online, please reply back. Is that your only concern? Because if that is your only concern, then accordingly I can actually say, okay, if only heavy bust is a concern, what I would suggest is that please colors is zyada V-neck pehno. Because you whatever color you wear will not hide your heavy bust. Make sure you're wearing the right undergarment first, because that is more important. अगर आप गलत undergarment का style पहन रहे हैं तो अगर आप गलत and then of course you will want to wear black because थोड़ा सा वो bulge दिखेगा यहाँ वहाँ से, so you know automatically you will go to black. But if you're wearing the right undergarment inside, you will be able to pull off any color. But if you also have a heavy tummy issue or something like that, or thicker arm issue, something like that, then I would suggest then try, and your legs are absolutely nice and skinny, then reverse it, make wear darker colors upar and wear lighter colors down. But actually depends more on the color, your body type also. So एक generic answer दे सकती हूँ कि आप ऊपर dark पहन लो नीचे light, but that won't be fair. हो सकता है उनका hip issue है, हो सकता है उनको thighs issue है. There's so many things, right? So I don't know how to make a generic answer to this, but I wish that person was online to actually give me a little more information so I could possibly give you more.
If I were to again take like a broad understanding from this, Shikha, are we saying ki when you want to add volume, go for lighter colors, and when you want to not highlight a specific feature, then wear darker colors? Is that like the generic tip? Okay.
Absolutely.
Got it. So to all the girls out here who are, let's say, I receive so many questions around rectangular body shape, I'm skinny. To them, then is it that आप lighter shades पे जाओ which are more your undertone suited?
Go for the shades that actually suit your complexion first. Because हर like अगर 4 seasons है, 4 seasons में उनमें भी categories है. चलो वो मैं आज नहीं cover करूंगी because it's too much. Like if I actually show you a diagram, like there are these subcategories there. So it becomes like too much. So let's keep it 4 categories. 4 season है, उसमें भी अगर suppose मैं अगर ये कौन सा है autumn, इतने सारे color options है. तो इसमें light dark भी है तो light भी है. So you can always find the season that you belong to first, and usme se then we go for the lighter shade in that season and the darker shade.
Understood. Got it.
Instead of making it a generic thing, understand your seasonal palette first. और उसी में आपको इतने like 100 colors मिल जाते हैं. So why not choose colors from there so that आपका complexion भी अच्छा लगे, because as it means we have this dark skin color complex. So why not wear the best colors that you actually will suit you, instead of going with this thing कि मेरा body type ऐसा है इसलिए ये colors पहनना है. First, like reverse it, पहले color समझ लो आपके ऊपर क्या चल रहा है, क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. So you could possibly, like for आपने जैसे mocha mousse के बारे में बोला. अब mocha mousse में भी, if you notice, there are so many colors. See?
Absolutely. Autumn का अलग है, spring का अलग है, summer का अलग है. Yes.
तो अगर मैं सिर्फ ये पहन लूंगी, like अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको बहुत लाइट पसंद नहीं है आपके फेस के नीचे, then you could possibly go for a dark brown. And then if you like wearing, if you got skinny legs, then you could go for a lighter, light taupe color pants. So that is how I think I would like to make it easier rather than confusing you.
Absolutely. So I think, guys, I just saw another question where it was like, I'm dark complexioned. Tell me colors for myself. ऐसे नहीं होता. हमारी स्किन का जो भी कॉम्प्लेक्शन है वो डार्क है, लाइट है, ऐसे जनरलाइज नहीं कर सकते. कई बार जैसे मैं भी ब्राउन स्किन हूँ, बहुत सारे कलर्स मुझ पे अच्छे लगते हैं जो कि लाइट भी है, डार्क भी है, ऐसे कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं है. और हो सकता है किसी का शेड मेरे से सिमिलर हो, लेकिन उनका जो अंडरटोन है ना, स्किन टोन नहीं, उसके अंदर भी अंडरटोन भी होता है, वो अलग होगा ना, तो उनपे अलग कलर्स अच्छे लगेंगे. आई थिंक ये लाइक शिखा इज सेइंग देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ साइंस, लॉट ऑफ थियरी अराउंड इट. आई एम श्योर शिखा ने बहुत ही सारा एजुकेशन शेयर किया है अपने इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल पे, आप एक बार जाके देख सकते हैं. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग मोर, यू नो, perhaps शिखा, we could have like a more detailed session just around seasons. So maybe that's something that we could talk about. Let us know, guys, if that's something that you're interested in. We'd love to explore something like that and share more with you. I think if that's helpful. But again, don't generalize and say, yaar, main dark skin hu, light skin hu. Skin tone is one thing, there's an undertone. Then, you know, like Shikha mentioned, aapke emotions, aapke psychometrics, aap kaise grow up हुए हो, आपकी क्या history रही है, क्या experiences रहे हैं, everything defines what makes you feel good, look good. So it's more than this. Give yourself the chance to experiment, and that by हम कुछ भी आपको बता सकते हैं, कितनी भी बात कर सकते हैं इसके बारे में, बट जब तक आप खुद अपने ऊपर 10 कलर्स ट्राई नहीं करोगे, अपने कंफर्ट जोन से नहीं निकलोगे, आई थिंक ये सब एक पेपर पे रह जाएगा ना, प्रैक्टिकल भी करना पड़ेगा. सो गेट इनटू द प्रैक्टिकल ऑफ थिंग्स, गाइस. I think as we sort of go through all of these questions, I'd also like to come back and understand, Shikha, now. I'm sure there have been ups and downs in your journey, so many different women that you worked with. I'd love to know कि ऐसा कौन सा एक transformational experience आपके लिए रहा है, किसी client के साथ आपने काम किया है, या खुद आपके life में, you know, having gone through beats, that has been something that stayed with you, which is like beyond work. It's just become very personal, something that is like, that makes you feel very proud of yourself. In your journey of having styled 250 women, and I'm sure like so many different beats that they've gone through. What would you say, something that really stayed with you, inspired you?
There's so many, frankly, so many. But I always end up talking about this one girl who was like literally amongst my first few students. and she is still in touch with me, and I mean, I'm still in touch with her, for more than her being in touch with me. I'm still in touch with her. And she did a course, small village, Kerala, like बहुत ही small कि मेरे को आज भी नाम याद नहीं है इसके village का. And she joined at that time. She couldn't pay the fee at that time. So I was like, नहीं यार, but this is my clientele, I don't care, मुझे करना है. एंड फ्रैंकली ऐसे मेरे पास बहुत आए हैं. मैं सिर्फ इसी के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, बट देन आई हैव हैड सच ब्यूटीफुल, मतलब अब एक एक याद करूँ तो अरे ये भी तो है, भी ऐसे याद आ रहा है. बट ठीक है, चलो मैं इसके बारे में बात करती हूँ. आई वाज लाइक, नहीं, लेट्स डू इट इन दिस अमाउंट, आई डोंट केयर, चलो, आई वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज आई वांट टू सी यू ग्रो. इतना खुद के बारे में सोच रही थी कि यार मेरा तो एंकल भी बड़ा है, ये भी बड़ा है. एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट हर, आई एम लाइक, यार कितनी gorgeous है. I can't even tell you how beautiful she can give every one of us a run for her money. मतलब she was that pretty and I'm like shocked because वो pictures भी लेके भेज रही थी तो अपना face काट काट के भेज रही थी, इतना under confidence. And I'm like, dude, यार, मतलब I was like, क्या है पता नहीं, you create an image, right? Like I said, you start judging a book by its cover. That is what I also did, right? Though I'm not supposed to, and I'm not, of course I was not, and I wanted her to be my client no matter what. Then I'm like, no, I'm going to do it. Tell me, what are you comfortable? She's like, Shika, give me 2 months, I'll pay up the fee. ठीक है, I'll जमा करो it and I'll pay up. Fair. तो जो हम लोगों ने एक mutual discount discuss किया था, she was okay with it. She paid up. After 1 year, I still remember I cried that day. She suddenly messaged out of the blue, Shikha, is your GPay number the same? I'm like, why? Shikha, I want to pay up the balance discount you had given me because I would love to give you ₹1,00,000 for that because the kind of confidence you've given me, I don't think any amount I pay you would be enough. I want to give you that extra money. I remember I had cried that day. I was sitting with my husband. I'm like, yeah, she wants to pay me. I'm not taking her name. And she was like, I was like, she's wanting to pay me and I don't want it. I told her, don't give it to me. Pass it on. I just need blessings, nothing else. Just pass it on. And she was like, no, this is going to come to you. You do what you want to do with it because you deserve it. And I cried that day. I'm like, I think I've won a lottery. मतलब मुझे तो लग रहा था पता नहीं मैं क्या कर लूंगी. And उस टाइम पे तो मेरी फीस भी बहुत कम थी. Because it was just a starting journey even for me, right? So I was that invested. I'm still very invested in every client of mine. I can't even tell you how much. Like suddenly अगर कोई client बात करना बंद कर देगा, I'll be like, क्या हो गया? Because I know your personal journey. तो मुझे डर लगने लग जाता कि यार I hope उनको कुछ घर में तकलीफ नहीं आई हो. But थोड़ा सा line draw करना चाहिए मुझे कि नहीं, I should not be after them. What is where's the journey at, blah blah. But then I get very invested. I'm still very emotional and passionate with all my clients. वो लोग मुझे आज भी मैसेज करते. I remember this other client suddenly messaging me some YouTube link. Shikha, ये टाइम का YouTube link देखना. Start applying this for your business.
Oh,
and I'm like, oh my God, where do you find such clients? My clients have become my biggest cheerleaders. Like एक बार I was going through a major phase, like starting business में, major phase of like thinking कि यार कोई clients ही नहीं आ रही, क्या करना चाहिए? And this is I'm being absolutely this is how I am. I don't even care if you all want to judge me, otherwise it doesn't matter. But I remember I was like चलो discounts देना शुरू करो लोगों को कि शायद और conversion हो जाएगा. My client who had paid me full price messaged Shikha, don't stop. You are worth it. Don't reduce your price. Immediately वो story down किया and I'm like, I'll have to believe in myself. So this is the kind, and I'm only talking about these 3 to 4 clients here. ऐसे तो हजारों है who kept coming back to me telling me, Shikha, do this, do that, do this, do that. Why aren't you doing this kind of a thing? You are already doing this, now do that. So I think I am super blessed with so many gorgeous clients and beautiful souls. I've been lucky. I'm telling you, I'm just blessed with 250 women. I think I can name everyone I meet today. It's like that.
That's so amazing. I think that's also the life coach in you, na Shikha, who is just like understanding every beat of one's journey. It's not just like एक transaction है या ठीक है.
नहीं, transaction
बिल्कुल नहीं है ना. It's just like यार, I want you to grow.
For me, it is only about your journey. Frankly, I want you to be amazing. I want you to feel confident. मेरा journey तो वही, मतलब I just feel कि if I can help one person, I think I'm good with what I'm doing.
I love that. Yeah. I relate to that so much. And even your journey as a businesswoman, I think very inspiring. We all have to understand that. And I'm just starting dipping my feet in also. It's quite inspiring. कि यार trust yourself, trust your gut, have faith. Not everything will happen एक ही दम से, और हमेशा everything will not be hunky dory. But if you're just at it, you believe in what you're doing and you're doing it with the right intention, then you will find your purpose and you will solve a problem that means something to you, and that is really meaningful in some way. So that's beautiful.
Absolutely.
No judgments, of course, and shouldn't be also. It's really hard to build a business. I think people don't oftentimes realize when you
It is
get
not
into it.
as hunky and dory how people make it sound कि अरे आज ये हुआ कुछ नहीं, कोई अरे बहुत मेहनत की है ये होने के लिए भी। और हम
Exactly.
कितनी बार रोए हैं घर पे बैठ के, आज यार ये क्लाइंट कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ, आज ऐसे नहीं हुआ वैसे नहीं हुआ। वो भी एक बहुत सेटबैक होता है जो कोई आके मैं थोड़ी ना बताने वाली हूँ कि मैं आज इतने क्लाइंट्स कन्वर्ट नहीं हुए, आज मुझे रोना आ रहा है। मुझे तो यही बोलना पड़ रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे, बहुत ऐसा अमेजिंग बिजनेस चल रहा है। Rubbish, guys. Everyone is going through their own struggle.
And especially when you're building now, like I feel like I can't even share as much with my parents, with my friends. कोई नहीं समझेगा ना what you're going through. Parents will only get worried. Friends will say, यार तू time नहीं निकालती, but I'm like, time कहाँ है? There's no time. We have no time for ourselves. So,
No.
but again, I think the beauty of it is, and Shikha, I feel that that's something that I'm, relating a lot with you also. You're very invested in helping people find the best version of themselves, and that is beautiful because it's very selfless. Few people have that now. Oftentimes we build businesses with different intentions, and that's also fine, to each their own. But I think just being selfless in the process is what takes that extra mile, because you're not doing it for yourself anymore. You are selfish, but in helping others grow. That's what makes you happy. So you're selfish in that way. So it's very interesting.
Absolutely.
Lovely. And you've had such a beautiful journey now, Shikha. बड़े सारे learnings again रहे होंगे आपके भी, as you work with so many people. They have grown. बहुत सारी चीजें आपको अपने बारे में भी नहीं पता होंगी जब आपको पता चली होंगी in this experience of building a business. Before that, how life has been. जब आप शायद your younger self did not know what you will face, what you will experience, how you will grow, what you will become. So if you could say something to your 12-year-old self today, the young Shikha who probably had very different thoughts, maybe some fears, maybe some insecurities, maybe some confidence, what would you say to your 12-year-old self?
Believe in yourself. Don't compare. Don't see you are any less, because मैंने तो अपने आप को मैं ना बहुत ऐसे अंदर से अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट थी, बहुत अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट थी, बट मेरे कपड़ों ने मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस दिया। मुझे तो एक्चुअली वो स्टाइलिंग भी ना वहां से ही मेरे मन में शुरू हुआ, क्योंकि मेरे लिए मेरे कपड़े मेरे आर्मर थे। लोगों को लगता था ये बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लड़की है, जेन्युइनली। बट मैं जितनी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट थी, यू ऑल हैव नो आइडिया। एवरीवन स्ट्रगल इज वेरी डिफरेंट गाइस। मालूम थोड़ी ना पड़ता है आप लोगों को। बाहर से मैं आप मेरे रील्स जाके आज वाले देखोगे, आपको लगेगा बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट गर्ल है। आप जाके मेरे फर्स्ट रील देखो और बोलो मुझे मैं कॉन्फिडेंट थी, जरा ही नहीं। मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे बोलते ना, तेरे फर्स्ट रील से लेके आज तक में बहुत डिफरेंस आ गया, ऑब्वियसली।
इतना मेहनत किया है, डे इन डे आउट बनाया है, उसके 50 वर्जन्स बनते हैं। आप एक रील देखते हो, उसके इतने सारे शूट होते हैं, फोन फुल हो जाता है, फिर उसके बाद एडिट करते हैं बैठ के एक सेकंड को से।
एब्सोल्युटली नहीं, बहुत अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट थी। तो मेरे लिए तो मुझे मालूम है, आई वुड टेल माई सेल्फ, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, शट द आउटसाइड नॉइज, एंड इफ दे आर टॉकिंग, लेट देम, बस लेट देम। आई heard Mel Robbins, मैं बहुत ही लाइफ कोचेस देखती हूँ, तो I know about these, so she's released a book called Let Them, and that word has stuck in my head. If people are talking about you girls, I think you all definitely need it, because आप लोगों को अपने height के लिए इतना है। If people say some shit to you, sorry for the word, but if people are saying some rubbish, please let them. It's them, not you. That's it. Nothing else.
Such a beautiful note. I love that. So simply put, but so much weight in it. Lovely. Thank you so much, Shikha. It's just been so amazing, like by saying you're such a beautiful person inside and out. Yeah, she is, and she's been so kind, You just came in with so much energy. There were so many small snippets of knowledge that you shared with us. I think all of us learned a lot. Thank you so much for taking the time. Welcome to the Rarish family, first family of shorties in the country. I'd love that, we take this message big and broad. I was a banker before this, Shikha. I used to work in Singapore, and I saw that my cousins were struggling, 14, 16-year-olds, because they were not very confident about their height. And I was like, I need to do something to inspire them, to not make them, this is 2025. People shouldn't be feeling underconfident about their bodies for any reason at all, right? There's so much awareness. We look at Instagram all the time. We know more than any of us did at our age. इस age पे ना, जैसे teenagers, what all they know. पर फिर भी बॉडी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. सो दैट वाज माय होल मिशन कि यार मेरे कजिन्स जैसे कितने सारे लोग हैं who need inspiration. So quit my job, moved back to India, started building this community with the vision ki short girls, young girls, girls who have insecurities about their bodies should no longer feel that way. So I'd love that हम ये message amplify करें, and I'd love that as petite women especially, and women like you who are so inspiring, who are already I think changing, transforming so many lives. We just keep this message going ki whatever our body looks like, let's love it, let's feel confident in ourselves, and let's find ways of making ourselves feel good beyond the physical aspect of things.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you
No,
so
but
much.
then thank you so much for having me here. I mean, our conversation almost lasted 1.5 hours, which is great. Which is, and audiences भी रहे हैं इतनी देर सुनने के लिए, which is such a. I mean, I think you've built a beautiful family for yourself here because I think they are very invested in you. So I'm glad to be a part of this, and I'm glad I could actually reach a few of you here and there. I hope कुछ भी मैंने जो बोला आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो, आप लोगों को मजा आया हो सुन के, कुछ सीखा ही होगा थोड़ा बहुत. Is that's the whole goal here.
Absolutely. नहीं बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I think हमने बहुत बहुत सीखा है. Again, very kind of you for taking the time out. We're connected now. And yeah, let's spread this message of no height insecurities, no height shaming, no underconfidence about being short. So बहुत मजा आया. Glad.
Thank you so much, girls. It was genuinely a pleasure. I'm sure my daughters are already watching me also do this. So and they're teenagers themselves, so they are already hearing me say all this. They're going to be killing me now. Why are you talking?
So inspiring. So inspiring. They should be inspired. They should be so proud of you. But thanks again. I know I'll let you go. Must be dinner time for daughters as well. So thanks for taking the time, Shikha.
Thank you. Thank you, girls. Thank you, Anu, for having me and your team. You all were really nice and kind. I mean, everything was amazing here. Thank you.
Thank you. Keep in touch.
Yes, we will be in touch since I'm already following you all. So
Absolutely.
yes. Okay. Bye-bye.
Lovely. Good night. Bye,
night.
guys. Thank you. Bye, Shikha.
Bye.